Thank you very much, Lucien. Good morning, everyone. I would like, first of all, thanks very warmly Basilis for this real professional organization of this event, and also for the 2 decades of collaboration with MGI. I remember when we met in 1997. It's like old people talking about the Second World War, but since we have done a long way, and all the time MGI and GraphCom have collaborated deeply to work on the Greek market and on the Balkan market. And we are very proud today to have many customers installed in your region through our privileged partner, GraphCom. So I'll introduce myself. My name is Victor Abergel. I'm the Executive VP of the MGI Group, and I'm very pleased and honored today to make you the presentation of our group, technologies, and vision of the future. Thank you very much, Yasmina, because I've been very impressed by your presentation, and it's perfect, the perfect bridge between your presentation and my presentation. You are talking about the printing, I was talking about the added value, showroom and control quality of the equipment built in our German company, because we have also our factory in Germany close to Stuttgart where we are building all the equipment. We have our also offices in the US to cover the North and South American market, but also the Asia-Pac market from the US. And we want to be sure that we are not counterfeiting the product, and we are able to having 100% traceability of the product. For the converters, production efficiency, we was talking about the turnaround, the time setting, the flexibility to make a job, no plate, no film, no dies, no... Yes, that's the technology who's giving you such a kind of possibility. Personalization, turnaround time, and design flexibility. Great. To whom? For the customer, client, customer brand owner, who are looking for the embellishment, buying packaging. What they want? Visibility. Clear. When you're on the shelves, you want to be sure that your product is visible and customer can choose it very quickly. Attractions. Yes, because when you have a differentiation on the packaging, you generating attraction. Let me give it to you an example. Everyone knows Colgate. Colgate, the dental paste. Okay. Last year, Colgate was ranking number 3 in terms of sales in the US with the dental paste. They decide to change the packaging of the box by putting silver foil on the box. Just the silver foil. In 3 months, they have been ranking from 3 to 1. Just by changing the packaging and putting more high visibility finishing foil, silver foil on the box. Can you imagine? So now everyone is looking for be more attractive. How are you? So that's very important. Hold attention long enough. Why? Because you will see that your brain, when you are choosing a product, give it to you 2 seconds to take a decision. Afterwards, it turns the page. So in 2 seconds, you should be able to take a decision when you are doing your buying act. Sorry. So that's, and the most important, to have an influence decisiveness to be sure that you will choose the packaging. We have here just a testimonial from one of our end user customer, Lowe. You know the perfume Lowe? Okay. And they have decided to do all the boxes with a 3D spot and foil tactile effect, okay? And since they have increased the sales and the product is better, have a better visibility on the shelf on the perfume shops, okay? And that's one of our customers who is handled in Spain by one of our users, okay, and that's giving the information through the application. And it confirmed that the embellishment is the way to make the difference for them and to increase the sales potential. So, the issue of the consumption is very important. The importance of the communication is 4.5 second windows. After, you know, when you are making your shopping, you are not staying 3 hours in front of the shop, except for the ladies sometimes. But that's normal. Okay, the real competitive brand is the time. So, with the reduced windows, you should be able to make the decisions. As I told you just before, the average time is less than 2 seconds to take a decision. And that's where the embellishment will generate more visibility, readability, and attractiveness. So that's very important for you to understanding that, because those numbers coming from official study, it's not my numbers, okay? And here, increase the viewing distance, that's clear and sound. The visibility, establishing a trademark look, yes, absolutely, because some marks you recognize it by having their own finishing, okay? And provide authentication, so meaning also security. So here, the enhancement delivered perceived value, that's clear, prestige, high quality, and that's the way to difference on shelf presence and repositioning. Pick me up, yes, that's also very important. And prevention for unsophisticated duplications, meaning fighting the counterfeiting. So, it's a very quick overview about the market and the drivers of the market concerning the enhancement and embellishment process. Now, what is the value added of Abergel on this market? Yes, Lucia, I'm going faster. Thank you. So first of all, to do the spot and 3D effect varnish, you will see here we have the 3DS spot varnish machine to showing you the possibility to making what we call the tactile and spot varnish effect with a UV varnish giving you the capabilities to do flat and up to 200 micron tactile effect, but as well the foil applications. Foil on demand with variable data, as you have here, okay, and can do it on any substrate, on paper, plastic, even carton. So, and for that, we have developed, we are the only company actually on the market who's offering different technology for all the market segmentation, as well for the label and flexible packaging, for the digital printing, meaning up to A3 size, for the commercial printing from GTO size to B2 size, and for the packaging industry up to B1 size. So we have the roll-to-roll, B1, A3, B2. So we covered all the market segmentation with our line of product. And as I told you, we are also a hybrid technology. What does it mean? We can as well bring the embellishment on the offset or screen printing or flexo on the digital printing, and we can cover any kind of substrate, laminated or not. So here you have the jet varnish for every market segmentation, who's covering the digital, offset packaging, flexible packaging, and we have the format for each product. Here we are showing you actually the unlimited color. That's a digital press mixing toner and foil. It's a very unique process, and we have the jet varnish technology who's giving to you the capabilities to having as well the spot varnish flat and tactile and the digital light foil. I'm going faster because I feel the eyes of Lucien on my back, commercial printer, trade finisher, to whom we are addressing the product virtually to all the market. Okay? We have a solution for each of you. if you are converter, printer, B1 format, B2 format, A3 format, we have a solution for each of you. Let me show you afterwards a few applications and you will understand better. Okay, here we can make without any dyes, tools, plates, whatever, the foil application with the tactile effect. We can apply the spot varnish flat or 3D effect. We can do book cover, business card, magazine cover, brochure flyer, all the applications requesting an embellishment. As well, we can cover the label market, printed by HP or other technology. We are fully hybrid, meaning we can apply the finishing on the offset or on the digital printing. As well, toner or I would say inkjet. You see, we have the capabilities to having a very fine detail and to bringing added value on all the kind of substrate. Here, you see this, and we can also doing variable data. We can do also holograms applications, but I think one of our customers here will make a testimonial today or tomorrow. Today, I think, Lucien? Today, okay. So it's nice. And you see the different application made through our technology. Also as well, we can print on PP, PET, PVC, PPG, all the plastic substrates can be handled by our technology. Thank you very much for your time. I'm sorry to be long. As well, we have a machine over there. Please don't hesitate to come and to see what we are doing. Thank you.
So, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Victor.